Hey guys, I'm showing you this Vooray 22-liter Boost duffel bag. It's a small travel bag, sport gym bag, or can be used by both women and men, and with the shoe pocket. So it's a weekender bag as well for like anything you want to use. So first impression, very nice quality, and you can see it's all waterproof quality from the side. Comes with this strap, comfortable thing on the shoulder, so you can just attach it on the other side the way you want, and this looks designed very well, like there's a handle set as well if you want to use the handle and not the strap, and then have the ample space, and this zipper is also smooth, is all waterproof thing inside with the multiple pockets. And you know what I like the most about this bag is its the shoe cabinet, like the shoe compartment. I will show you. So this is a shoe compartment. So here you can just put your shoes in. So if it's wet or something, it's all waterproof. So you can just put in your shoe here, and this will stay inside. This is all waterproof thing. You can put in your towel, mobile, your all your other things. Pretty much nice, and the multiple interior pockets, so you can just use it the way you want. And basically, it's very helpful and carry over thing. From the side also, outside also, this is all like small thing with the keyring and things that can put. So this is designed really well, just keeping everything in mind. From the side pockets also, you can put in your water bottle, or yeah, like you can use it like the way you want, I will say. But there's ample space for everything and very nicely designed. Can we carry on anywhere with the strap or the handles, and then looks good as well. It's a lightweight, so basically it's very nice. So just on the side, you can see that it have a good space and the good size, and also can be used with the thing. So as I mentioned, this is a shoe pocket, very convenient for the shoe, like you have to change the shoe, like from running to office, or gym bag, or if it is in the water sports it gets wet, you can just put it down. It's pretty waterproof and good thing. So very nice design, I will say. And for the keyring, for the water bottle, for mobile, is each like separate pocket, and just you can use it anywhere. So as I mentioned, this have a handle as well as the cross strap pocket, and a easy zipper. Carry on is also easy, as you can see, like with the size, and you can just carry on the strap or the crossbody bag, whatever the way you want to use. So I like this bag a lot, especially with the compartments and thing, and hopefully you will like this as well. But the quality wise, this is really good. I will say, in the waterproof, and is very multifunctional bag that can be taken anywhere you want. So hope you like this.